bakit po yung hope na meron tayo as believers is different from the hope na meron ng mundo. Amen po? Yung hope po natin, it's alive. Yung hope po natin, it's confident. Yung hope po natin, it never disappoints. Amen? Sabi dyan, always be prepared na meron tayong answer. Pag tinanong tayo, uy, bakit sa kabila ng nangyayari sa mundong ito, may hope ka pa rin? Amen? Kasi po alam niyo po, si God, dinesign niya po tayo to be hope-filled. Hindi niya tayo dinesign to be wishful thinkers. Amen? Let me tell you po why hope is vital. Kanina po sinabi ni Madam, sabi daw ni Joseph Prince na kung may tatanggalin ka, huwag mong tatanggalin yung hope. Bakit mahalaga yung hope? You know why? Kasi po hope gives us a reason to look forward to tomorrow even when today is hard. Amen?